Hello students, today we will discuss the topic trigonometry. So first we will discuss the trigonometry topic, trigonometry identities, trigonometry, trigonometry identities. Right? Tell me what about the trigonometry? Trigonometry, trigono, and it is metry. What do you mean by trigonometry? Trigonometry. What is tri? Tri means three. Gono means angle. Metry means measure. So we discuss about the polygon which are three angles to be measured. Means we determine the nature, character of the triangle because the triangle has three sides. गोटे ट्रायंगल तीन टा साइड अछि बिला माने तीन टा एंगल अछि. This angle is taken as A angle, this angle is taken as B angle, and this angle is taken as C angle. And A angle opposite side will be taken as small a, B angle opposite side small b, C angle opposite side small c. This is the triangle ABC, and we determine we read the properties and character of the angles of a triangle, sides of a triangle, and the relation between the sides and angles of a triangle. Today triangle on the side with the relation, angle with the relation, angle side with the relation. This is about the trigonometry. Trigonometry means we determine, we read the nature, character of angles, sides of a triangle. This is about the trigonometry. Next, what is angle? What is angle? Angle. Look at, this is a line. This is the fixed line O, and this is the P line, P point. This is the moving point, and this line is called initial line. This line is called initial line. If this is initial line and this is the Q line, when the P line rotates with fixing point O to the point OQ, OP when Q rotate to OQ, so OP line ta OQ को rotate करिथिबो एठी गोटे angle develop करिवो. This is called an angle. When the point P rotates with fixing point O makes an angle, therefore angle comes. Next पिला माने what is sense of the angle? Sense of the angle. What is sense of the angle? Look at, if it move or if the line, initial line moves in the anti-clockwise direction, घंटार opposite direction में move करतो पिला माने, then it is called positive angle. OP line टा जेतबळे positive side का anti-clockwise move करिवो, that angle is called the positive angle. Look at, जदि OP line of clockwise angle move करिवो, एपट move करिवो Q point रे पहुंचबो, ताले एटा आसीबो नेगेटिव एंगल. क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन, एटा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन, और एटा क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन. क्लॉकवाइज मींस नेगेटिव एंगल, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मींस पॉजिटिव एंगल. Right. Next is was today now I will discuss what about the units to be measured to measure the angle of a triangle. Next is measure of angles. Measure of angles. Right? There are three systems used to measure angles of a triangle to measure angles. What are the systems? First beat, sexagesimal system, sexagesimal system. This is also called English system because it is developed by England peoples, England mathematicians, and it is also called the degree form. Degree form. Degree form. Second beat, centesimal system. Centesimal system. Centesimal system. This is also called French system. French system. Also called gradient form. Gradient form. Right? This is centesimal system, and this is developed by the French mathematicians, and this is called the centesimal system or French system. And third beat, circular system. Circular system. Circular system. This is also called Indian system. Indian system. This is developed by the Kerala mathematician from the Kerala state, and this is also called the Indian system, and this is called the radian form. This is the radian form. Radian form. Now, these are the three systems used to measure the angle of a triangle. এই তিনটা সিস্টেম রে আমি গোটে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল গোটে অ্যাঙ্গেল মেজারমেন্ট করନ୍ତି, রাইট? নাও we discuss it one by one. ଆମେ ଆକୁ ଗୋटे ପରେ ଗୋटे ডিসকাশন କରିବା ପିଲା ମାନେ. we discuss it one by one, right? Come to first bit, sexagesimal system. First bit, sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system. One right angle equal to 90 degree. 1 degree. Degree symbol. This is the degree symbol. Degree. One right angle equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 60 minute. Single dash 60 minute. And 1 minute equal to 60 second. 60 second. One right angle equal to 90 degree. 1 degree equal to 60 minute. And 1 minute equal to 60 second. Now, come to second bit, centesimal system. Centesimal system. Now, in centesimal system, one right angle is equal to 100 grade. G stands for grade. 100 grade. 1 grade equals to 100 minute. And 1 minute equal to 100 second. 1 minute equal to 100 second. 1 right angle equal to 100 grade. 1 grade equal to 100 minute. And 1 minute equal to 100 second. Double dash stands for second. Single dash stands for minute. Single dash for minute. And double dash for second. Now come to the circular system, or next is circular system. One right angle. R3 stands for right. R3 लेकुची right पाई. Right, one right angle equal to pi by 2 radian. No minute, no second here also. This is minute or second इतने नहीं. खाली radian form. This is pi by 2 radian. C stands for radian. Why it is called radian C? Because it is the circular system. C stands for circular system. Tell me what about the value of pi and what is the value of pi by 2? So one right angle equals to pi by 2 radian. तो pi का value कितने? Pi का value I put a trick formula पिला मैंने मान रखो. Pi का value sir I have a trick to find out it is single word to find out pi. Sir, I have a trick to find out pi. Sir contains 3 letters. This contains 3 letters. 3 and this is I single letter. R 4 letters. 1 A single letter. Trick 5 letters. To find out this is 9 letters. 9 and pi is 2 letters. Pi is 2 letters. So pi value is nearly equal to 3.141592 dot. Remember that March 14 of every year, March 14 of every year treated as Pi Day. This day, March 14, is taken as the Pi Day declared by the United Nations. United Nations द्वारा March 14 को Pi Day हिसाब से ऑब्जर्व करा जाए. Next is students. Next is now tell me pi by 2 radian. Pi is nearly equal to 3.14. Pi is nearly equal to 3.14. So pi by 2 is nearly equal to 1.57. So one right angle equals to 1.57 radian. One right angle equals to 1.57 radian. Now we make a relation between sexagesimal system, centesimal system and the circular system. हमें circular system, centesimal system और sexagesimal system भितर relation दिया करिबा. देखिबा relation between degree, grade and radian. Relation between degree, radian and grade. One right angle equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 100 grade and this is equal to pi by 2 radian. One right angle equal to 90 degree equal to 100 grade equals to pi by 2 radian. So 180 degree multiplying to 180 degree is equal to 200 grade equal to pi radian. So this is the relation between degree, grade and radian. What is the value of pi? 3.14 nearly equal to 3.14. So 180 degree equal to 200 grade is equal to nearly equal to 3.14 radian. Now tell me which unit is the larger unit? Which unit is the larger unit? Tell me. Who unit का सबसे बड़ा unit? Radian, degree or grade? पिलाने radian, degree और grade भितरे सबसे बड़ा unit आसिबो radian because a small unit of radian is equal to 3 unit of radian is 180 degree. So here 1 radian must be greater than 1 degree and 1 degree must be greater than 1 grade. 1 radian is more than 1 degree and is more than 1 grade. Now tell me Now tell me 1 radian. Look at 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, and this value is nearly equal to 0.017 radian. 0.17 radian. Similarly, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. 180 by pi degree, that is equal to 180 by 3.14 degree, nearly equal to 57 degree 48 minute 47 seconds. This is nearly equal value of 1 radian. Similarly 200 grade equal to pi radian. 1 grade is equal to pi by 200 radian. Pi by 200 radian. Similarly, 1 radian equal to 200 by pi grade. 200 by pi grade. This is 1 radian value. Now come to, we will discuss these questions on it. हमें आप question भी discussion करेंगे, but before that we make a relation between radian, degree and grade. Look at 180 degree equal to 200 grade. So 1 degree equal to 200 by 180 grade. That is equal to 10 by 9 grade. And 1 grade equals to 9 by 10 degree. 9 by 10 degree. So now we will discuss, write the summary. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. Pi by 180 radian equal to 10 by 9 grade. Similarly, 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree equal to 9 by 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree, 200 by pi grade. Similarly, 1 grade equals to 9 by 10 degree. 9 by 10 degree equals to 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degree equal to pi by 200 radian. Pi by 200 radian. These are the values to be determined. Now we will discuss some question on it. पिलाने वर्तमान आपने हम किसी question discussion करेगा. Let us start some questions, discuss some questions on it. Expressing radian and grade. First beat 45 degree, second beat 75 degree, third beat 120 degree, fourth beat 135 degree. Come to answer. First beat 45 degree. 45 degree equals to 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 45 degree equal to 45 into pi by 180 radian. 45 को 180 cancel ले 4. So pi by 4 radian. Then the 45 degree. 1 degree equals to 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 rad. So 45 degree equal to 45 into 10 by 9 grade. 10 by 9 grade. 9 ने काट लिए. That is equal to 50 grade. Right. Similarly, second bit 75 degree. 75 degree is equal to 75 into pi by 180. इतनी रेडियन. This is equals to 5 ब्रैकेट ले 15 5 ब्रैकेट ले 36 पूरी भी 5 ब्रैकेट का बना 3 ब्रैकेट दिवा 3 ब्रैकेट ले 5 pi by 12 रेडियन. अच्छा what will be its degree? And 75 degree equal to 75 into 10 by 9 grade. It is 3 cut le 3 cut le 25. This is equal to 250 by 3 grade. 250 by 3 grade. This is the value of a degree form to radian and grade form. Come to another question. How would a question Kasiba? Express in degree form, degree and grade form. Pi by 12 radian. 3 pi by 7 radian. 5 pi by 16 radian. Come to the answer. Answer was 1 pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So pi by 12 radian is equal to 180 by pi into pi by 12 degree. Pi cancel, eta cancel लेके देवो. 15 degree. 15 degree. So pi by 12 radian is equal to 15 degree. वर्तमान में पुनी again pi radian equal to 200 grade. 1 radian equals to 200 by pi grade and pi by 12 radian equals to 200 by pi into pi by 12 grade. pi by cancel हो गया. अच्छा 25 4 रे काटले टा 3 आसीबो तळे 3 ऊपर 4 रे काटले केते आसीबो 50 pi by 3 grade. 50 pi by 3 grade. This is the radian form to grade and degree form. This is about the first part of the trigonometry, how to measure the angle of a triangle and some problems on it. This is about the first video, and the next video will be discussed in the next